Ang tungkulin ng Vice-Presidente, katapatan sa konstitusyon o paghahangad ng kapangyarihan. Romans 13:5. Therefore, it is necessary to submit to authority, not only to avoid punishment, but also as a matter of conscience. The constitutional role of the Vice President of the Philippines is clearly defined. To succeed the President in case of death, resignation or removal from office. Beyond that, they often hold a cabinet position, contributing to the administration's policies and programs. But what happens when the actions of the Vice President seem to contradict this mandate? Is she truly fulfilling her constitutional role, supporting President Bongbong Marcos as the leader chosen by the people? O sinusubukan niya bang hatiin ang bansa at agawin ang kanyang pwesto? Some argue that she is simply exercising her right to disagree, a necessary check on presidential power. They believe she is acting according to her conscience, even if it means challenging the current administration. However, others see a dangerous game being played. Her public disagreements with PBBM, her alliances with known political opponents, these actions raise serious concerns. Is she prioritizing personal ambition over national unity? Is she undermining the very authority she is sworn to uphold? Manalangin po tayo, Panginoon, expose the very motives of VP Sara's actions. Reveal the truth behind her alliances with those against PBBM. And Lord, reveal who among them is corrupt. Ilantad mo po ang mga lihim na kasalanan at ang mga taong nagtatago sa likod ng kasinungalingan. Protect our nation from those who seek to exploit and divide us. Grant us the wisdom to see the truth and the courage to fight for what is right. Sa pangalan ni Jesus na aming Diyos at tagapagligtas. Amen. Like, share, follow, comment, subscribe.